Hey everyone, how is everyone today? I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, so just sound off in the chat if you do. Anyways, today we are messing around with Fusion. Gonna be working on a project. I think, yeah, you guys can know the project name if you want. It's Project Sandbox. I don't know if that'll help you at all though. Hey, how's it going, Scott and Peter and Mark that was here before? All right. So not an expert in Fusion, so hopefully this isn't a guide for anyone. Let's see. Start with the support. Oops, I forgot my support piece. I'm probably going to be running around the shop getting tools and stuff. Hey, Dean. How are you? All right. Support 1. Start a sketch. Oops. All right. Let's see if I can figure this out. I not much of a mathematician, so I have to kind of figure out my angles by look instead of for real. On lockdown, meaning like New Zealand is on COVID restrictions. Let's see, how long do I want this piece? Let's go about 60 mil. In height. Ooh, not sure about height. We have oh, hang on a second. There we go. Yeah, we have cases here in Ontario, but not nearly as bad as Alberta. Let's go 11.3. Hey there, Dr. Fail. All right, this is where I have to figure out my angle now. Oh, what's that looking like? 90. 97.7, something like that. There we go. That's good there. And there. All right. This is the basis for the first part that I'm designing tonight. Oh, I have to get a width too. Making music. What kind of instrument or like what kind of music do you make? Be at 9.2 width. All right. Makita charger should be coming soon. I'm just fighting temperature right now to... I basically have to do a couple of projects before it gets too cold. But it is coming soon. Oh, electronic. Didn't we talk about synthesizers? Was that what it was? All right, let's build a box here. Let's say... I guess 2 mils is fine. All right, and now I'm going to build something to hold something in place. So I'm just going to make, probably going to make a square. Hey, Anthony, how are you? Sort of like that. Sort of like that. Seriously? You have stuff on Spotify and iTunes? Why haven't I heard of these yet? And for what I am designing, it's a surprise. Let's see. Rotate this. Oh, that's not good. Center point here. .45. Yeah, that the 386 circuit. I need to be doing that too. But that's an old video, I think, right? That you re-released. All right, I finished the sketch. I'm gonna extrude these bodies through. So you guys are more than welcome to guess what I'm designing, but I may or may not answer. It's supposed to be a surprise. Extrude will go probably about probably 10 mil will be fine that direction. Grab that again. And extrude. So minus 9.2 should be the width. All right, and then another 10. So minus 19.2. That to join. There we go. It is not a jackal. It is not a doorstop either. Not a bear trap. But you guys can see that this can make parts really quickly. And the nice part is, this here will be the base of it. So this will be 3D printed. And whenever you want to make holes in 3D prints, you can either make them completely circular, or you can make them these diamond shapes, 45 degrees. Printers can usually do 45 degree shapes pretty easily. All right, I'm going to grab this guy and see if I can fillet that. Oh, not like that. I have some LM386s, so I mean, I should be able to do a project like that. That's a good question. How do I make a semicircle indentation into here? I guess, you know, I don't even have to bother with that. I can just sketch this and drop it down, maybe. I don't know. Let's fillet these sides for strength. There we go. Part's looking pretty nice. Use the drill function. Okay, give me a second. Let's see if I can figure out my angle here. 97.7. Gonna write that down somewhere. Oh man, you know what? I honestly tried so hard to use FreeCAD, but it was just so difficult. Wouldn't be that. Not a hole. Maybe if I sketch... I have an idea. Sketch here. Okay, I'm gonna make a circle. With the center. And grab the middle here. I don't need something this deep though. Maybe I need an ellipse. You making an ellipse? Yeah, ellipse. There we go. Center. I don't know what I'm doing. What's going on with this ellipse? Looks like it's on the wrong plane? No? Alright, let's go maybe a shallow ellipse. 3 mils in this direction. Oh, there we go. This'll work just fine. Okay, finish sketch. Grab this chunk and then extrude it. Should be a way to change the extrusion direction. No. With the drill function, you can click anywhere you want the hole. Okay, well, I'm going to try extruding this, and then if that doesn't work, well then. So I can go this way, but I want to modify it this way. That's a taper angle. Because I can do this, but I want to move it up. I want it to follow this angle. Oh, I see what taper does. Oh, I've never used the taper function, actually. Huh. Add this to my repertoire. How do I make it go up, though? Okay, let's try drilling then. All right. Modify. Drill. Create. Is it this? There's hole. I don't see drill. Do you mean hole? I mean, if I put a hole, let's say here. Okay. What does this do? Oh, size. Okay. All right. What about direction? That's depth. Size, depth. That moves freely, which is not good. Oh, reference. This. Nope. Nope. Extrude, then tilt. Okay, let's go back to try the extrusion then. So grab this, extrude, like so, but I want it to extrude a hole. That's the thing. Objects to cut, yeah, that's good. Offset distance, nope. From a face or plane that you select. No. Oops. This is what I'm fighting with all the time. So what if I complete this? Can I just grab this and move it? Okay, grab the hole. Nope. Gonna take the sketch and tilt it 97 degrees. Oh, I can make that into a hole. Nope. Solar cell holder frame thingy. Nope. Nope. Good try though. Good try. I think my patrons have an idea. Actually, most people have been listening to the podcast for a while. Have an idea, but it's just not it's not obvious. And I'm intentionally being unobvious about it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this for now. You know what I could do, actually? I can just grab this, move it. Oh, I can angle it. not a wine rack. Nope. So I need like 7.7 degrees. That should bring me right in line. Nope, nope, nope. Let me grab that. This. Extrude. No, let me grab this face. It's like on the inside. Aha. Okay, pull that out to cut. Like so. I think I got it. Nope. This face. No. Not that. This face. There we go. No. Come on. Okay. Get rid of that. There. This face. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. There. Is that so hard? The answer is yes. Yes, it was. Part for a 4D printer, not yet. Part for a 3D printer, not yet. Although, you know what? I should do a live stream working on the 3D printer. That's a very good idea, Anthony. I think that might be in the cards. Okay, so this should be just about fine. That'll work. Actually, I'm almost done this part, so I can almost move on to the next one. Just going to create a sketch here. 2-point rectangle from the center. Grab that right in the middle. Oh, there. Is that the middle? Center point. I think so. All right. Maybe I'll go 5 and 5. Grab this thing, rotate it. Oh, not from there. Nah. .45 degrees. There we go. Finish this. Grab this. Extrude. There we go. I believe that is the finished part. Yeah, well, I can do a live stream of my Fusion 360 antics on the 3D printer. I can't build the 3D printer live because it's very bulky. So I'll probably, like, I don't know, probably appear on camera by accident a few times. So that's good. These things are not equidistant from up here, and it's bothering me. Even though it shouldn't bother me, but it does. Let's see. If I inspect from here to here. No, that's not going right through. How about there? 3.147. 3.7. Okay. Move. I forgot how much it was already. $3.147. Buy a gorilla mask. That wouldn't be a bad idea. 3.147. And the other one is, oops. Stop. 3.783. All right, grab this guy. Just gonna move it a bit. Probably space it a little bit like that. All right, need to move it down. You're tracking the numbers in chat. Yeah. Math is really not my strong suit. I think my wife is watching. She can confirm. So it needs to move 1.038. Negative 1.038. Hey. Hey. Oops. $783. Meh, I think close enough. Looks a lot better. This is literally to put a zip tie through anyways. It's not even that big of a deal. Doesn't cut through the bottom there. That's good. All right, so this part is finished, at least for prototyping sake. On to the next part. What do I call this? New component. Trying to put it. It does not matter how close it is to the base. It's just to run a zip tie through. Something's going to be held on the very top here. Then I'm going to run a zip tie around to hold it, or maybe a bead of glue down this. So it's really not that big of a deal. All right, new part. How to be vague yet descriptive. Descriptive enough so I know what I'm working on, but vague enough so you guys don't know. Let's see. Whole post thing. Is this too cruel? All right, get rid of this. All right, so next part. I might need to actually go grab a reference part in a moment. Uh-oh, and I'm out of coffee too. All right, whole post thing. Trying to picture how much space I've got. Oh, no. Let's see. I'm going to make myself an area. Make a base about 30 by 30. In fact, it should probably be a circle. So, a 30 mil circle. Okay. New one. On the base. Hey, isn't Sion streaming? That's a good question. Because you guys should be watching Sion stuff too. He might have finished. Oops. Something for cable management. No, good thought though. Okay, so we want a 30. Let's give myself more space. Go 32. That might bite me in the butt, but that's okay. And then I want a reasonably large hole in the middle, but not too big. How big is 5 mils? Where's my caliper? 5 mils is not big enough. We will go, you know what, we're going to go full 10 mil. So 10, but I need something of 10 mil to fit inside, so it'll be 10.2 with tolerances. Okay, and then this will be a post, so probably want, what is this? Yeah. There we go. Oh yeah, I hate marking. You know what I've done when I give multiple choice quizzes? I typically align the letters in a pattern that I'll remember. So if it's like A, B, C, D, I'll make the pattern like A, B, B, A, C, D, D, or something like that, and then repeat the pattern or go backwards. And so, you know, it's much easier for me to not lose my mind while marking. Thanks for stopping by, though. It's really appreciated. No, some of the jerks don't deserve A's. I mean, I'm assuming. Okay, and how tall do I need this? Oh, this can go really tall. Let's go 48. All right, so 48. So I want this guy to go up 48. Oops, that's not press pull. Okay, stop hiding my sketches. Thank you very much. And bring this guy up maybe 3 mil. 3 mil. Like so. That looks really phallic. It should be okay though. There we go. All right, I'm gonna do, yeah, gonna need some support coming up this way on this piece somewhere. I need to go grab my reference piece. Give me one moment. Okay, reference piece in hand. Hopefully this works out. So I need 2 pillars, roughly 2.75 apart. Okay. Then I'm going to need a hole of size really small. 2.5 mil in the middle of those. About 2.5. Okay. Let's start a sketch. All right. Need a distance of 2.75. Make a thing of distance 2.75. Oh, that's bigger than I thought. I'm gonna move this. Okay, so it won't be a complete circle. Okay, and then rectangles. 12 mil by 5. 12 by 5. Okay, 6 mil up. Oops. Six mil up and 6 mil down. And 5 mil across. they don't let me go exact. And then, there we go. Trim these two off. There we go. So I need those posts. That'll be fine. Okay. In the center. Right in the middle. Does it let me do the middle? There we go. 2.5 millimeter hole. Like so. And then just duplicate that and we're good to go. Mirror. This, 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 and this, and this. Mirror line. Well, something went awry. Oh, I think I know what happened. All right, make this construction line. I need to mirror all this. This mirror line would be this one. Okay, apparently it doesn't work. Mirror line. This guy. There we go. You can grab that whole assembly now and move it all around. All right, so I could center this now if I wanted to. I don't think it'll ever be center because I kind of messed with it. Now the question is, do I even want this centered? Probably not. Can't move it down too far. I'll move it out, give myself more space. I'll make this off-center. I'll make this purposely off-center. There we go. Should be fine. Oh, how's it going? Eric, how are you? All right. So now this needs to come up quite high. Maybe all the way up to the 48 that I had made it. Pull everything up. Extrude, oops, finish sketch. Grab this, grab this. And up 48. Oh, that wasn't 48. Oh, it's because it's on top. Whoops. 3 down. 45. Yeah, I think that looks fine. Really? Yeah. Just like I would say that most people shouldn't be shouldn't be using my code. You probably shouldn't be using my advice here. All right. So grab this whole thing. Extrude. Come on. Extrude that up. Okay, recut that because that was accidental. Grab this. Oh, this is so difficult. Okay, up we go. Gonna fill this hole until we have a reasonable amount in there. Yeah. Maybe bring that up to 25. There we go. Got a fairly deep hole here. Any idea what I'm building? So far, everyone's guessed, but they haven't figured it out yet. Was it 25 I went? $20 mil. And this guy... this and this. 20 mil. Okay, we're good. Alright, I need to support this stuff. Guess I'll bring this down. 3 mil. Not for the drone, and not some sort of mortise either. In a couple minutes, I'll give you guys a hint. Drop this down, 3 mil. All right. That's pretty good. Remove this sketch. Now I just need to link kind of these together to make a cohesive base. There, bottom. Oops. Add a sketch. Grab this surface. Just gonna draw a line from here to there. Draw a line from here. Whoops. From here, right on the corner there. Draw it to here. Grab this. Lock it. I don't remember how to lock it now. Yeah, whatever. This one, tangent to this one. Oh no, that's what I did wrong. This one, fix. There we go. And this line, tangent to this. That is not tangent to that. This line, tangent to that. Why is that not working? This line, tangent to this curve. Something's not working there. Okay. Let's try this again. Circle 32. And now should be able to fix it. Fix this. Now this tangent. There we go. That makes sense. Clip the excess. And now just need to join the lines. Whoa, what the hell happened there? need to join one more line here to here. Oops, this one ended up all crooked. Remove this, this line, in this way, in like that. There we go. Grab this piece and extrude up 3 mil. Extrude 3, join. There. Solid piece now. This is actually nearing completion already. This is going well. Gonna do a little bit of geometry to make it all hold on, and then it should be good. I wonder if I should make a piece that goes across these, makes them solid. Probably. Let's go about halfway down here. I don't know. Let's go over here. Fix this one in space. Grab this tangent to that. There we go. Trim the excess. Grab a line. Find the middle. Go over here. Fix this point in space. Grab this tangent to that. There, trim the excess. And do the same thing with the other one. This like weird symmetry really pleases my brain. That guy, fix it. Grab this line. Make it tangential with this. This, like so. This line. This tangential. Whoops, I need to fix this. No. And trim the excess. There we go. Can trim this and this, this and this. Now just got to link those lines and we're good to go. There to there. This one's a bit more tricky. I don't know if he'll let me. Oh, there we go. And extrude this up. Can't bring it all the way up. Maybe there. Let's go 20. Nice even 20. There we go. Much more solid. Can add a little bit of niceness to it. Oh. I want to fillet it the other way. Yeah, don't want to do that. Yeah, I suppose I could fillet, make it look nice. There we go. And then here and here. Same thing. Nice little fillet. Same thing here and here. There we go. Turned out to be a really nice little piece. Can fillet these corners at the same time. And smooth this one out. Smooth this one out. Oh, that'll take the whole column up. No, I'm going to pass on that one. There we go. I think it looks pretty good. I'm thinking I've got another part to design, which might be a little bit complex, but I think I'm going to be able to figure it out. I think I'm going to have to print it in 2 parts. All right, so hole post thing 1, I think that is done. All right, I think if there's still some people in here, I have a hint for what this could be. Let's see, who's in here? Oh, hey, Kem, how are you? So these are parts. Here's your hint. I think this is the only hint I'll give. These are parts for my least viewed video. So if you go onto my channel, and it's the project video that has gotten the least amount of views. They are parts for that. Pinion carrier holder thingy. Nope. I'm well, Kim. I'm well. Just trying to get some. I was trying to get some motivation to do some design work today, and wasn't happening. And then I thought maybe I'll just stream, and then you guys can watch if you really want. All right. So new part. Got to be vague again. Whole post thing. So this will be post thing. Whoops. Good. All right. Hide the bodies of that. Oh, actually, need to know what is the height. Maybe from the inside here to the bottom here. That was 48 mils. Okay. Okay, yeah. Back to this. Whole post thing. Can hide this one. All right. I'm going to make a new sketch. Kind of lost in orientation here. Nope. Top. Spin this twice. Okay. So I know I just made something that was 10 mils in diameter. So I'll go 10 mils to start like so. Then I'm going to make a smaller one. Maybe 6 mils. Okay. Make a, let's say 5 mil and a 12 mil. Nope. Let's go 14 mil. All right. make a line like so. Another one like so. And then we're going to grab this, this, and this. Fix them. This is how I gain momentum. Like, stuff is starting to speed up already. So tangent to this and tangent to, oops. There we go. Like that. And then this tangent to this, and then this tangent to that. Trying to align it with the other. What I've been doing is I've just been tracking the measurements, and basically I guess I put them together in my mind. I have been meaning to take courses to actually learn how to make them actually, like assemble them. There is a feature to assemble them, but I haven't looked into it yet. So 2 mil here. This we're going to move and copy. I hate how this window shows up tiny. You gotta scroll down, create copy. Let's go 5 mil. And then grab these two, move copy, and create copy. I'm gonna go 10 mil. And then 3, move copy, create copy, and 15 mil. Oh, 15 mil was not necessary. So I'm gonna delete that last one. There. So this should start looking familiar to some of you, just the general shape. Okay. And grab these. This. Actually, all of these. This and this. I'm gonna extrude. 4 mil. 3 mil. Servo arm. Yeah. You're getting close. So this I'm designing it like a servo arm. It'll work similar to a servo arm. Okay. Now I need, this was the 10 mil one. And I'll grab this one too. Okay, and then extrude 3, and then 48. That makes 51. And join. Okay. And then we will grab this guy, extrude. No, that doesn't work. This guy, extrude all the way up, and then that cut a hole through it. I'm going to grab this guy again. I'm going to extrude. This I'm going to leave 51, maybe 10 mils. 41. There we go. That's another piece complete. Crawler. Nope. Not a crawler. I recently, here's another hint. I recently promised on a podcast that I would finish this project before it got too cold. So that piece is done. Okay. Well, we've done 3 pieces so far. I'm just, for the people just showing up, I'm going to bodies. Okay, so this is the piece we just did now. Then we can activate this one. This is for the one we finished right before. And then this is the first piece we did today. Exactly, Mark. Mark's got it. It's these are parts for the RC boat. The basically the sandbox toy that I picked up at the thrift store. I'm gonna make it into a RC speedboat, basically. But from the outside, it should look completely like a sandbox toy. So yeah, that's what this is. These are parts. These are all parts for the RC boat. All right, new component. And in fact, I mean, the jig was going to be up because this next part is going to be pretty obvious as well. All right, so 4.8 mil circle plus top. And then a, let's say, hydrofoil might come, but like I won't have time to design a hydrofoil before winter. There's just no way. Now, should it be sharper than that? Yeah, maybe it should be sharper than that. Maybe these should be like 0.5 mil circles. How long is this? From here to here, 30 mils. That should be plenty of steering authority, I think. Okay. I'm gonna jot some random lines here. 2, 3, 4. Same thing as before. Gonna fix this in space. And then grab this guy, tangent to this guy, and this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, to this guy. Oops, that's on the wrong side. Gonna have to make it tangent to this guy, and then tangent to this guy. You just glue water skis to the bottom, extend the propeller shaft. How hard could it be? You know, I might make a hydrofoil propeller plane, like propeller boat, like you know, one that's like powered like the snow speeder. That seems a lot easier. Because the problem with a hydrofoil is that I'm going to have to find a way to get the propulsion to go, like, stay in the water, basically. This, and this. I wonder if that's too thick. You know, I wonder if I should have made a smaller... I'm thinking it might be too thick. I think I may... Can I delete the concentricness? I can. Make a smaller circle here. Okay, I'm just gonna back up a little bit. Okay, gonna delete this concentric geometry hold. Gonna make like a 3 mil, maybe a 2.5 mil. This may have to print in 2 parts. Might have to split it down the middle. Fix this in place. This concentric to this. This to this. This to this. This to this. There we go. I'm gonna trim these pieces too. There we go. Okay. So, finish the sketch. Well, I mean, freaking save them. Oops. Edit the sketch. So is anybody doing anything cool? How's everyone's, what is it, Monday today? Tuesday? How's everyone's weekend? Okay, oops, finish sketch. Extrude these pieces up, maybe 2 mil, like so. Nice. I posted it in Patreon, Chem. Trim this before it causes me any trouble. I also, like, honestly, I was supposed to be working all day, but I didn't sleep well last night, so yeah. The work is, the productivity has not been great. Okay, let's try this again. So extrude 2 mils worth of this. Get my sketch back. Extrude. Then I gave it, what, 10 mils? So I'm gonna go 8. Just go 8 mil positive. Join. Okay. And now I get to decide what my fin's gonna look like. Grab the circles at the end. Oops. How are the dogs, Chemical? $29C. Today it was really hot for me. Therefore, it was like 19 degrees. I'm going to try to make this 80 mils. So extrude. Whoops. Wow, 80 mils is going to be way too big. What was I thinking? Hang on. Let's go 70 mil. Wow, that's still big. I still find that to be huge. All right, like this, and then see if I can chamfer. I'm not really sure how to make this less squarey paddly. Maybe if I press pull. Let's get rid of the sketch. Grab this. Oh, press pull seems to work. I'm gonna do this and press pull. Hey, B-dubs. I'm getting to the limits of my Fusion 360 knowledge here. Draft. Sure. Pull direction. The other way. Faces. Huh? Okay. Go. Symmetric. Oh boy. Okay, draft needs to go the other way. Nope. Okay, not draft. I am making parts for the RC boat. You know what? I'm going to shrink these. No, you know what? I won't shrink them. First, I need to deal with how the heck I make this more sharp. Maybe if I just remove this. Then press pull that. No. Honestly, wouldn't it be fine with just a flat bottom like that? think it would. But it's so big. I don't need it that big. I want to like trim it this way. Maybe if I just do new sketch on this plane. Yeah, this plane. Maybe if I make something like yeah. Yeah, this is not a lot of height though. So this is from here to here. That's 70 mils. That's not actually that high. The boat is something like 25 mils, 25 centimeters wide and something like 45 centimeters long. Maybe 40 centimeters long. So 70 mils is not that big for a rudder. And I also added, there's part of the rudder that's ahead of the pivot. And so that means that it'll reduce like the pressure on the servo. It is quite an aggressive. You know what? Maybe I'll just remove some height and then we'll just call it a day. I'm just gonna, maybe 50 mils like that. Probably plenty, and then I don't have to deal with messing with the design too much. So, yeah, maybe we'll just do it like that. Because honestly, at this point, it needs to get done, so it's probably better off just getting done rather than it being perfect or worrying about stuff like that. Also, does anyone know if Cura allows you to slice the model in half and only print 2 halves, or do I have to do that in Fusion? Hey, Johnny. Yeah, I don't think I'll have to worry about drag. This RC boat is going to look ridiculous as is, but still a good point. Yeah, look at all the blue wrenches. You know what? Scott can be a moderator too. So I think these parts are kind of all I need. Yeah, that's very true. I could also print another one. I'm a little worried about this ring here being too bulky. I'm gonna shrink it. Extrude. Whoops. Uh-oh, did I remake it 70 mils? No. Okay, this guy, extrude it down. 1 mil. This guy, extrude it down. 1 mil. There we go. Gonna give this a little bit of a taper so it fits better into the hole. Wow, that's like it's like a point. There we go. So basically my plan is this thing, this peg is gonna glue into, it's gonna be glued into this hole. So that peg into this hole. I think I actually bring them up at the same time here. Hold on a sec. I put that like, oh, something went awry. I didn't do my math correctly. That would be, that's at 10, hold on a sec. What's the size of this? Radius, that's 5 mils across, okay. What about this? Two and a half mils across. Oh. What have I done? Ah, dang it. You know what? That's fine. That's fine. Delete this. Sure. There we go. We're going to chamfer this. There. Okay. So, this... yeah, so this is supposed to go inside here. In this hole. It's going to be glued in there. And then this does the steering. So that'll be glued in there. This will do the steering. It'll turn around. And this will be inserted inside this thing. So that's 10.2 in diameter. That's 10. So yeah, this will fit kind of like in there. I really don't know how to stack them together. Like so. The servo will sit in here. This will be like over, I guess, can you rotate this? Not really. Maybe like that. There we go. Hey. Well, whatever. Should I key the pin too? No. The only reason I say no is because I'm going to use hot glue to put them together. And I want to be able to remove it and stuff. And I'll do the fine adjust by adjusting the center there, and then do the final adjustment by dealing with the RC receiver. It might be a good idea to pin them. Actually, it absolutely is a good idea to pin them, or to key it. Sorry, but I'm not going to do that. Going to throw caution to the wind. All right, so this inside of this on the bottom here, like that. And then this part here, which is all wonky. So this part here, this will hold the drive shaft. So I think those are all the parts I really needed to make today. I think now I can set those to print. I'm not sure if there's anything left to do. This I might try to print in one go. No, I can't because the circle. I wonder if I make this flat. If I just... No, because there'll be supports. Yeah, there'll be supports here. It'd be pretty funny to print this like straight upwards. And this one here, I wanted a big base because I'll put hot glue on the bottom so water doesn't come in. Servo sits on top there. There'll be a piece of wire going over. You know, I'm actually going to drop this a little bit because the servo will have a little bit of height. Let's just do this. Grab this, and then extrude. Five mils. There we go. That should be enough. So yeah, it should work. This will print easily. This will print easily. So I designed everything to print really easily aside from the rudder. Chamfer the bottom edge of the cylinder. The bottom edge. I'm assuming you mean for the rudder. The bottom edge. Oh, here. Yeah, can you do that? I don't know. Give me a second. I don't know if I'll be able to like match it to here though. Let's see. Chamfer. Ooh. You sort of can. I think you absolutely can. Let's see. 1.2. Nope. 1.19. Nope. 1.18. 7. 6. 5. Yeah, and I think what I'm going to do is add a brim down here on the slicer so it holds it up. Oops. Hey. Just invisible these things. Did a few cubes and temp towers. Started making covers for the slots in the rails, keep stuff from falling into them. Isn't the 3D printer awesome? Like the whole principle that the 3D printer will start making parts for itself is pretty awesome. So 1.16 was it? Nope. 5. There we go. That should work a treat. And really what will be resting on top of the boat will be this part here. So as long as the hot end doesn't like drag this thing along, that should actually print vertical. It'll be a little scary because I find the glass bed that I'm using, it actually is it's less sticky than using painter's tape, but I don't want to go through like re-leveling, resetting the Z height if I had painter's tape. So that's good. Well, okay, so that's it then. Looks like I'm done. I don't know what else. I guess I'll have to print them out and see how they fit, and then I'll have some time to tweak the designs. But that's all. So I guess I'm going to save these all as mesh. And then, yeah, big brim. I do 20 line brims, basically. And then I'm just going to sand. I use a cheap filing, nail file sticks. And I just sand them off after. Carry the blending down onto the sides of the rudder, extending the pin length down. That's not a bad idea. I really don't know how to do that, but let's see. Oh, wait. If I go there, if I do that, maybe I can pull this down. Maybe I'll just do a press pull. Sort of like this. You're right that it would add a lot of strength. Unless I can just grab kind of this edge and do a chamfer there. Like so. Whoa, that's not good. Ugh. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. It was actually a chamfer. Like so. I think my printer can do slightly more than 45s, but I think that'll be fine. I could do 2 distance, sort of like that. Even more gradual. Okay, let's see. All right. Chamfer. 2 distance. I'll go 1.15 and then down, let's say 3. Hey, Sean. No, I've never used SolidWorks. Isn't SolidWorks really expensive? I don't think I've seen you in the comments section, Sean. I'm glad you're enjoying the channel, though. This direction. Okay, 1.15 there and 3. There we go. Is there anything you can't do, Scott? This is you're absolutely nuts. Oh yeah, I remember why I didn't want to key this to this is because I don't know in what position I want this horn in the boat, whether it be facing, you know, completely up, completely down, anywhere on the side. So that's why I didn't want to key it. Now I remember. But you know what? This actually, even though like it was a good idea, I think it even looks more professional now. I think it looks great. This and I always taper the top so I can force it into the hole a little bit easier. Neat. I hear PLA also absorbs moisture, so this may have to be rebuilt next year. Who knows? I could make it hexagonal. You're correct. But I'm not redoing it at this point. At this point, I think I'm pretty close to calling it a night and starting the 3D printers whirring away. But this is pretty nice that I can actually, you know, get this going and have this, you know, to the level of completion I have it now. So does anybody have any questions for me before the stream ends? It's going to be another maybe 10 minutes max. Yeah, exactly, Scott. Maybe it would be worth it because you know, either a hexagon or an octagon might be a good idea, but it's just my body's telling me I've had enough. I have PETG. I have some here. I have not loaded it into the printer yet, so I'm kind of scared on whether or not it's going to print properly. So for the moment, I'm not ready to use it. I have a little bit of PLA, clear PLA left in my printer. So once that's done, I'm probably going to load PETG in and give that a shot. I have that electric drying box too, so I'm not too worried about the PETG getting moisture in it. And also, when this is all done, I'm going to release the parts on Thingiverse. I don't know why specifically you would want any of these parts, because I think you would kind of need the same boat, but hey, whatever, it's up to you guys. Oh, and this thing doesn't have any mounting holes because it's going to be glued, hot glued to the bottom of the boat. There's a plastic mold line in the middle, that's why it has to have a chamfer. But all right, I think that's it for me tonight. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys actually enjoyed hanging out, I need to do a lot more CAD work, especially for the 3D printer. So I might just make them into live streams. If you guys are up for that, let me know either in the chat or in the comments. Layer adhesion and fracture strength are things considered. PLA may struggle with stress a bit. Yeah, I don't know if the parts will be under a lot of stress, but I've been printing my PLA slightly hotter, and like 210, 215, and I find that it makes for parts a lot stronger. I'm not sure if it's just the specific PLA I'm using, because to be honest, I just use whichever is the cheapest on Amazon. So do I like the filament dryer? I want to make a video about this because a lot of the reviews say that they're useless because there's nowhere for the moisture to go. I threw a hygrometer inside the box and it was sitting at like, I don't know, 67 or 70%, something like that, humidity, because I'm in the basement here. I turned it on and within 15 minutes, the humidity in the box was down to something like 30 or 25%. So I think that prolonged periods of time in that dryer box would be just fine. Radiusing the inside corners and edges helps improve strength. I always add that. Inside edges and corners. So this thing doesn't carry any load. It just basically holds the thing in orientation. This one has no inside corners. I think these are good. So I think for this design, it's pretty good. Higher than PLA or PETG? I print my PLA at like 210, 215. I have not played with PETG yet. I'm a little scared about PETG on the glass bed because a lot of people are saying that they use it on the glass bed and it's fine, but I don't want to risk taking chunks out of the bed. The servo arm does. Inside edges. Oh, you mean like here? Like this edge here? Nice. Thanks for the sex, Johnny. More live streams. Well, I might as well. Yeah, under the arm where it joins the shaft. Yeah, that's true. But so here's my thinking from that. I want this to be sat on top of here, providing a seal. The whole reason why I brought this thing way up is so that the water level never comes up here, but I don't want splashing and stuff to affect this too much. So that's why I didn't put a radius there. I mean, I could. I don't think it's that big of a deal. I probably could put a radius in here. I'll put maybe a small one. Yeah, PETG, I've heard that on glass it sticks too hard, and on other materials it's not sticky enough. And the dryer for doing other filaments, I'm not sure actually. I'm like, it goes up pretty high. I think it goes up to like 60 or 70 degrees. Wait, so you print PETG on glass and it doesn't take chunks out of your glass bed? Because I've seen people do that. Oh, you use glue stick. Okay. I could put glue stick on. Makes the bed a sticky mess though after, doesn't it? So what do? You put glue stick on, you let it dry, and then you print on it, or do you have to do it while the glue stick is like still wet? Or does glue stick ever dry? Yeah, I see that too. I might, on Amazon, apparently you can get sticky sheets of PEI. I might do that as well, because it's supposed to print, it's supposed to stick. Don't go above 60s for PLA. Okay. What was I going to say? Yeah, PETG is supposed to stick really well onto PEI. And apparently PEI, once it cools, the parts kind of like pop off. I'm not sure. I haven't tried it yet. Is it PEI that I'm thinking of? Yeah, PEI sheet. So if I'm looking at I can't even find a 350 by 350 PEI sheet. There's a 500 by 500 for $110. There's 300 by 300 for $50. So I'm not sure if a PEI sheet is worth $50. Put glue stick on, spray it with water, and let it sit and wipe off the excess. Sorry, what? Water. Okay, so PEI seems like it's a go, but I need to get... Okay, I just don't know if it's worth spending $50 on a PEI sheet. Because I can get 305 by 305 for $20 if I want to lose a little bit of printing area. So, okay, it's water based. I just don't understand what the spraying it with water does, I guess. I need a glass bed under a PEI to get the best of both worlds. Yeah. My new, since nobody listens this far into a stream typically, because we're almost at the 2 hour mark, I have, my Patreons will know I have a new 3D printer. It has a glass bed. So the goal is to get a PEI sheet and stick it on top. But I think I think my bed is 350 mil. So, oh, 350 by 350, 2277. Well, I may have to buy that. Try the PTG. I'm going to flip my bed over, use a smooth glass with glue stick. Yeah. Yeah, I'm loving the glass. I'm loving the glass bed, but I'm having adhesion issues. I clean it with alcohol after every, like before every print. But if the print has a small base, it's just going to pop off. And I find that my painter's tape, the blue painter's tape I use on the old printer, that thing, it feels like it sticks so well that you can print on a pinpoint. Like, it's ridiculous. I did spend a lot of time to tune the height of that. So maybe it's just because the height is just right, and maybe the glass bed, the new one needs to be raised just a little bit, because I am getting artifacts as if the nozzle is a little bit too close, but it's a lot of work to level this thing manually. My other one is auto leveling. What does 20 sec equal? Sec to CAD. Hey, $2.88. Nice. Vinegar works better than IPA. Interesting. I'll have to go looking around, see if I can find a vinegar cleaner. But yeah, I think that's the end of the stream, folks. Thanks for joining me. And since a few of you at least seem to have enjoyed this, I might just go live whenever I'm working on the 3D printer parts. I don't know how entertaining I'll have to be, because the geometry of the Core XY is taking a lot of my brain power. So I might need to be rebooted a couple times, but other than that, should be good. Thanks for coming by, Kem. I really appreciate it. And everyone here, thanks for coming by. I will see you guys in the comments section or in the next live stream. Thanks for watching.